Hey guys, this is Sohail from Momo Cars. A word of advice. Many people, when they're buying their new car, if they're financing it, they often look at what's my bi-weekly payment or my monthly payment going to be on this car. One thing they often forget is what's your total cost of owning that car, which includes insurance. I'll give you an example. A friend of mine came to us about 2 years ago, and he's about to buy a Honda Civic. When he called his insurance and found out what his insurance quote will be on a Honda Civic, and then added that to the monthly payment of financing the car, his total came out to $450. And then he called his insurance company about a Mercedes C, a very student-friendly, kind of an economical Mercedes car. And he found his insurance was significantly cheaper, and the car payments was a little bit more than the Honda Civic. But all in all, he realized for practically the same price, because his insurance was cheaper and his car payments was more, the Mercedes was literally almost the same as buying that Honda Civic for him. Of course, there's a bit more maintenance and there's fuel economy and whatnot that you have to consider. But people are often surprised that an expensive car is cheaper on insurance. Why is that? Because Mercedes is a much safer car, and sometimes it's a car that has less accident history. When you look at a Honda Civic, they're one of the most stolen vehicles in Canada. They're also a vehicle that a lot of young people buy, and they modify and they street race, and then they get into a lot of tickets and whatnot. Well, a Mercedes is not. That's not the case. Generally speaking, the person buying a Mercedes is maybe more mature or not really being around town and modifying their car. So the insurance companies give a lot less of a lower insurance rate for that Mercedes. All in all, I mean, what I'm really trying to say is, don't just go to a dealership, look at the price tag of the car, or what's it going to be on fuel and everything else. Don't forget the insurance, because it can make a huge difference, and it's surprising how low some of these more expensive cars can be on insurance. That's all for today.